And today I'm going to detail the amazingly supportive relationship between the trace mineral selenium and the fat-soluble antioxidant coenzyme Q10, or CoQ10. Selenium is essential for the proper function of metabolic enzymes involved in the defense against excessive oxidative stress and the damage it causes to proteins and DNA. CoQ10 is a compound found in literally every one of our cells, and this is why the root word of CoQ10's scientific name, ubiquinone, and also that of CoQ10's active form, ubiquinol, is ubiquitous, which literally means occurring everywhere. CoQ10 is vital for the health of our mitochondria, which are the energy furnaces inside every one of our cells. And natural CoQ10 production peaks around ages 20 to 25 and then begins to drop. Severely reduced CoQ10 levels are definitely a contributing factor to the exhaustion and body aches older people so frequently experience. While selenium and CoQ10 play different roles in optimizing health, one area of intersection for both is that selenium is an indispensable requirement for reducing CoQ10 as ubiquinone into its active form, ubiquinol. And this is because a metabolic enzyme called thioredoxin reductase 1 that initiates this conversion requires selenium to function properly. And just as CoQ10 optimization requires selenium, CoQ10 is needed for the proper incorporation of selenium into essential body proteins, because the thioredoxin reductase 1 enzyme contains a selenium-bound form of the amino acid L-cysteine, known appropriately as selenocysteine. And the synthesis of these selenocysteine-containing proteins requires the mevalonate pathway, of which CoQ10 is a vital product. So right here, you can really see the functional dependability of CoQ10 and selenium. You should also consider pairing your selenium with vitamin E, because selenium regenerates vitamin E, while vitamin E greatly enhances selenium's antioxidant effects. And this is definitely why both selenium and vitamin E are sometimes paired together in a single supplement. Vitamin E is also synergistically supportive of CoQ10, as CoQ10 enhances vitamin E's curtailment of well-known inflammatory compounds like C-reactive protein, while, as the more active ubiquinol, also regenerating vitamin E just like selenium does. Another area where you can see the combined benefits of both selenium and CoQ10 is in their mutual support of maintaining telomeres, which are the protective caps at the ends of our chromosomes. When we're young, telomeres are long, but they progressively shorten as we age, and when they're too short, the chromosomes are then prone to damage and dysfunction, leading eventually to cell deterioration and death. Sirtuins are a family of metabolic proteins that constantly maintain DNA, mitochondria, and telomeres. And while nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, or NAD, is their primary fuel source, these metabolic proteins, particularly sirtuin 1, are also increased by the combined protective actions of CoQ10 and selenium. Remember that CoQ10 and vitamin E are both fat-soluble. So look for either in ideally a soft gel or a fat-based liquid. And as for a dose, try starting with around 400 milligrams of CoQ10 and or around 200 milligrams of ubiquinol, along with 200 micrograms of selenium and 400 IU of vitamin E taken in the morning with food. Thanks for watching. I'm Jason Carter, and I'll see you next time on ENZYMENTAL. Stay healthy.